Example problem 27 reads, how many grams are in 1.02 times 10 to the 13 particles of oxygen gas, O2? So oxygen is one of those diatomic elements that we talked about in the PowerPoint. And regardless of whether it had O2 or not, so pretend like this wasn't even there, you would always assume that it is O2 because oxygen is naturally diatomic. So we're told that we have 1.02, we'll say molecules, because it is technically two oxygen atoms bonded together, which makes it a molecule, of O2. And we want to convert 2 grams of O2. And so that is a multi-step process where you have to go to moles as an intermediate. So molecules of O2 gas with moles of O2 as an intermediate, and then moles of O2, and then finally to grams of O2. So in 1 mole, there's always 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, molecules, particles. And in 1 mole, we'd have to calculate the molecular weight of O2. So there's only oxygen in O2. Oxygen is element number 8, and it weighs 16 grams. There are 2 atoms in O2. And so 16 times 2 is 32 grams. And so there's no need to add row 4. It's already done for you since there's only 1 atom there. And so 32 grams is going to be the molecular weight of O2. So molecules cancels, moles cancels, and you're left in grams. So in your calculator, 1.02, and I'm not sure why I didn't finish writing the rest of it, times 10 to the 13 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 32 equals 5.42 times 10 to the minus 10 grams of O2. So this is the last example problem for basic chemistry. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 27 or any gas law chemistry just in general as you're working the gas laws chapter. Thank you.